Hello, back again. I'm not through with the salad, so all the big yellow archangel stems I take out if I see them on the fork, and I throw them right onto my little garden. Yeah, where they come from, basically. Most I was collecting after this little wood where there is this mountain I showed you with the paragliders. That mountain, there is some nice place to gather all these, and then the others are from my garden. Because on this wall, I'm sure there is no fox climbing up and down or cat pissing onto my stuff like that, you know. I saw the cat mark its territory, so I know she just walks along the path and does it alongside. So I have to climb a few steps up, and then I can get the herbs. It's not like eating a cake, you know, it's like fresh and also sweet. You have to chew it quite a bit. And the good thing is my sauce really is a good sauce. For any salad, or to go with potatoes, because all the things contained in my sauce are healthy as well. They are the Mediterranean herbs, ginger, cardamom, curcuma, which are very healthy. The olive oil is very healthy because of the omega-9, and the hemp seed oil is very healthy because of the omega-3 and 6. So I have all the omegas in the sauce. I have all the, like basil, the Mediterranean herbs, and ginger are the most effective herbs on earth. Like when you're not ill, you just want to benefit from healthy herbs in general, then it's these. And anti-inflammatory, curcuma and cardamom. I don't know what it does exactly. And then the tamari, aged soy, like two summers they let it age at least. It's the one brand that lets it age for 2 summers. There is brands, they don't care about that. And originally it should be like 7 summers. 7 years, you know. Fermented as long as that. In macrobiotics it says soy isn't healthy in any way that it's possible to eat it. Not as a sauce, not cold, not warm. And for any type of person it's not healthy. But if you ferment things, you really get the benefit of helping your intestines with these like sauerkraut and stuff. And I have the proof because I know people that live off sauerkraut every winter, and carrots of course, but the salad from the garden is gone. So Yeah. They look really healthy up there. So that's as far as I got.